New data from the health department reveals there are dramatically higher numbers proportionally of COVID-19 cases among people in the African American and Latino communities, especially in New York City. Kayla Green reports on a similar message being made by Rochester Mayor Lovely Warren today. What's the concern here locally, Kayla?
Well, Maureen, Mayor Warren says right now the death rates among black and brown communities aren't unusually high, but the county is preparing for the possibility of this to happen. She says it's important to get the message out to minority communities, which is what she'll be doing in the coming days. Governor Cuomo saying today impoverished minority communities are getting hit hard in the COVID-19 crisis. Mayor Lovely Warren says she's trying to prevent that here in Rochester.
We don't see that disparity as much here in Monroe County as we are seeing across the country, but we have to be diligent in changing people's habits and behaviors during this time.
The mayor says the county will be releasing more information to communities of color this weekend. She says they'll be getting the word out through community ambassadors, radio, and online platforms. She says we all need to get better at social distancing.
Our social distancing 2 weeks ago was rated at an A based on some of the web developers that's tracking that data, and to date we are now graded at a C.
Mayor Warren knows the tragedy of this virus firsthand. She lost her uncle in New York City to COVID-19. She says she spoke to her grandmother on the phone last night.
You hear a 93-year-old woman just say, to you, Andrew's gone. And she said that to me 15 times yesterday. Andrew's gone. Andrew's gone. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to get his body. That breaks your heart. But we have an obligation to the people that we love, to the people that we care about, to make sure that we do everything possible to save their lives, to go home to our families and make sure that we're delivering that message to every person that we care about, because we want them to be on the other side of this.
Mayor Warren says she's spoken to both the county executive and Dr. Michael Mendoza about how this is affecting communities of color locally. She says they have that data and will be releasing it sometime soon. Live in Rochester, Kayla Green, News 8.
All right, Kayla, thank you.